Hello there, my name's Chance, and if you're watching this video, there's a very strong possibility you may be in need of a new air filter. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's performance and ensuring a comfortable driving experience, there are more factors than simple routine oil changes and tire rotations. Two often overlooked components that play a crucial role in your vehicle's efficiency and longevity are the cabin and the engine air filter. Regularly replacing these filters is essential for both a vehicle maintenance and passenger comfort. Here's why you should pay attention to these often neglected components. Let's start by taking a look at some of the key roles and differences between the engine air filter and its counterpart, the cabin air filter. The engine air filter is a vital part of your vehicle's engine system. Its primary function is to filter out dust, dirt, and debris from entering in the engine. Clean air is essential for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency, and the last thing you want is unnecessary gunk building up on sensitive gears, sensors, and various other components. Cabin air filters, on the other hand, are responsible for purifying the air that enters the interior of your vehicle through your HVAC system. It traps dust, pollen, and other airborne particles to ensure a clean and comfortable cabin environment. Now that we've established the difference between the two types of filters, let's take a look at a more detailed breakdown of the benefits of replacing the engine air filter. To start with, improved engine efficiency. A clean air filter ensures that the engine receives the correct amount of air for combustion. This results in better fuel efficiency and lets you get more bang for your buck out of each tank of fuel. Enhanced engine performance. A clogged or a dirty air filter can restrict airflow, leading to reduced engine power and acceleration. Replacing the filter regularly helps maintain smooth acceleration and overall engine performance. Reduced emissions. Efficient air filtration contributes to complete combustion of fuel, reducing harmful emissions. A clean air filter helps lowering your vehicle's environmental impact. And finally, and quite possibly the most important factor, prevention of engine damage. Any debris that gets through a dirty air filter can cause internal engine damage over time. Regular replacement helps prevent costly repairs and extends the life of your engine. Now that we have a more thorough understanding of the function and use cases for the engine air filter, let's take a look at the cabin. Benefits for replacing your cabin air filter include improved air quality. A clean cabin air filter helps maintain high air quality inside the vehicle, reducing allergens and pollutants that can trigger allergies and respiratory issues. Enhanced comfort. A clogged filter can reduce airflow through vents, leading to poor climate control and uncomfortable cabin temperatures. Regular replacement ensures efficient operation of your vehicle's heating and cooling systems. Reduced odors. Over time, cabin air filters can accumulate moisture and develop mold or mildew, leading to an unpleasant odor. A new air filter helps keep your vehicle smelling fresh. And last but not least, increased HVAC efficiency. A clean air filter helps the HVAC system operate more efficiently, which can reduce strain on the system and improve overall performance, not to mention help avoid costly repairs in the future. Now, as far as the subject of replacing air filters goes, the long and short of it is it kind of varies. There are a number of factors that can come into play when determining whether or not you may need a new air filter. Factors like how dusty the environment is, what kind of roads you travel on. Really, the best way to know for sure is to just ask to see the air filter itself. Most mechanics would be happy to show you because they're aware how important it is. However, if you aren't currently at our dealership and you are just curious about some guidelines, the general rule of thumb that I use for my particular area is about every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers for the engine air filter, which tends to be about half a year, and about 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers for the cabin air filter, or about a year. Once again, this can vary highly based on where you live. That's a rule of thumb I use for myself, and it's something I feel fairly comfortable with. There are a lot of people out there who say you can just blow on an air filter and it's good as new. While that is true, in some cases, perhaps if there's like leaves or things like that stuck in there, I think if you're seeing a lot of fine particles, it might be a good idea to just get a new one altogether. They're a fairly inexpensive thing to replace on a vehicle and can save you a lot of headaches in the future. So in summary, regularly replacing the cabin and engine air filters is a simple yet effective way to maintain your vehicle's performance, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance your driving experience. Neglecting these filters can lead to reduced engine efficiency, decreased air quality, and increased repair costs. Make sure to follow your vehicle's specific maintenance schedule and consult with a professional to ensure that these essential components are kept in optimal condition. Your vehicle and your comfort will thank you. So don't hesitate to reach out and let us know if you would like us to replace your cabin or engine air filter. Thank you so much, and bye for now. This video was created and designed for my own personal use and to potentially teach other service advisors how to better explain various services and repairs to vehicles. If you were sent this by another shop and you are listening to this right now, it has been sent without my permission or my consent. If you wouldn't mind just commenting down beneath in the comment section if you were sent this by somebody other than me, I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching. If you are a service advisor, I hope this helped you out a lot. And if you are one of my customers, once again, thank you so much for listening to this point.